Welcome to our semi-automatic powder coating line demonstration. In this video, you will see how components move through the complete pre-treatment, coating and curing process using our single hoist system. The process begins with our single hoist system. Here, the operator correctly fixes the hoist hook with the hollow section of the basket, ensuring safe and stable lifting. Once secured, the hoist is ready to transport basket 316L carrying the components. Using a handheld remote control, the operator manually moves the basket to start the pre-treatment sequence. This is our 5-tank pre-treatment line. The first tank is degreasing tank, where the basket now dips for removal of dust, oil and surface contaminants. After degreasing, the basket progresses through the remaining tanks. Water rinse 1, washing off degreasing chemical. Water rinse 2, ensuring a clean surface. Phosphating tank, improving corrosion, resistance and bonding strength. And lastly, water rinse 3, final cleaning before drying. Once all tanks are completed, the basket moves into our water drying oven. This oven removes all moisture and chemical residue, so the components achieve a completely dry and skinned surface, ready for powder coating. After drying, the component reach the loading station. Here we hang each article individually on the conveyor, preparing them for the powder coating process. This is our powder coating booth, made in SS304 mirror finish and equipped with the power 7.5 HP blower and filter bag system. Powder coating is now applied electrostatically. The operator sprays a fine powder onto the grounded metal surface, ensuring uniform coverage and consistent film build. The booth design enhanced airflow patterns, giving a smooth and even finish with minimum powder wastage. This system ensures maximum powder utilization and cost saving. Here you can clearly see the high efficiency powder suction in action. All excess or oversprayed powder is immediately pulled into the cyclone recovery system, where reusable powder is separated and sent back for coating. Now, the coated articles enter our 8-meter long camel vacuuming oven. This is the oven's entry gate, where components begin the breaking process. After completing the required curing time, the finished article exits from the opposite end, fully cured and ready for handling. This is the oven's heat exchanger along with the burner assembly, which is connected to the gas train and controlled through the main control panel. This entire system ensures consistent temperature, stable curing and energy efficient operation. Finally, the cured articles are unloaded from the conveyor, perfectly coated, fully cured and ready to move to the next production stage. This completes the full demonstration of our semi-automatic powder coating line, designed for efficiency, safety and superior finish quality.